Can AI build a game that's impossible to beat? Let's find it out. So our game concept is simple. We will be having two characters, a runner which the user will be controlling and a chaser which the system will be controlling. User can use the arrow keys to move the runner and the chaser will continuously move towards the runner. If the chaser catches the runner, the game is over. So we need to have cool sound effects and animations along with it as well. So don't miss this video till the end because we will also see how we can convert a web app into a mobile app within minutes. Before getting started, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. As we saw in our previous video, which you can find here, we can build any game using AI in 4 steps. So step 1 is to generate a good prompt for our game. We can actually use Gemini or ChatGPT to do this. So let's get into Gemini, give our game requirements and ask for a comprehensive prompt. Now getting into step 2, it is to generate the code using the prompt. Now copy the prompt from Gemini and post it in Claude. Now you can see that AI started building the code, right? So once the code is generated, you can test it directly in the Claude itself. This game looks amazing. Let me play and see if we have any issues. I think this feels really good. The sound is a bit noisy, but should be good for our demo version. Now let's move on to step 3, saving the game and testing it on web. Let's copy the code and save it in a HTML file. Open this file in Google Chrome or any other browser. And that's it, we have a cool web-based game working right in our browser. Let's move on to the next step, converting this into a mobile game. For this, we can use a simple web-based tool called Web into App. This is completely free to use, so you can go and try it out as well. You can find the link in the description, click on it, click Get Started and select HTML files. This requires the files to be in a zip format. So let's go and compress our source file into a zip file. Click on Select Zip File, upload the one we created, give your app a name, hit next. If I have an icon, upload it here. We can actually create icons using ChatGPT image generator. If you have any queries on it, let me know in comments. Now register with your details. Wait for the app to get generated. Now download the zip file and extract it. Open the Android folder where you can find an APK file. Let's upload this to Google Drive. You can open this link in your mobile and install it. But we are not going to cover this in this video though. But if you have any doubts, feel free to comment below and don't forget to watch my previous video where I showed all these steps very clearly. This is how we can build simple games quickly using AI. If you built any other games using AI, let me know in comments. And if you get to learn something from this video, please hit that like button. It will help the channel a lot. And if you want to learn and build using AI, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to watch my other videos to see how AI can be used in different use cases. See you later. Keep prompting, keep building.